Tawhiri Matia howling through Auckland. Woo! Huge gusts of wind coming through, folks. This is unusual weather. Rubbish day today. Well, this one is due to, now the wind is pretty ice cold, so she's swirling in from the south. Because of the close proximity of the Waitemata Harbour and the Manukau Harbour and the location of the North Shore, we get a lot of swirls as they cross over from west to east or east to west. I just managed to catch some sun. Howling, man. Tawhiri Matia. Left. There it is. Just getting some sun. It's all happening in the UN, man. I'm on your tail, Mike. Big time. You better believe it, mate. Same with you, Bolton.